Hello guys, welcome to the new video of this certified YouTuber. Today in this video, we are gonna be drop the Pixel 4a XL from the 1 cm height from the ground. So let's get started. We will go to drop this phone. Let's unbox the phone. Here you can see guys, wow guys, looks amazing, fantastic in the hand. The back part of the phone is made from plastic, but the overall phone feels really sturdy in the hands. It's feel amazing. So here is a wonderful display, very good cameras, and processor is also good. So let's go to our drop location and drop this phone, and let's see what happens to this phone. Here you can see guys, the phone is hanged on our drone. The drone is approximately 1 km from the ground. Let's just drop the phone. So let's start the countdown. So ready guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! You can see guys, let's go to the phone is completely shattered from here. So let's go to my home and see what happens to this phone and clear up everything to see properly with this phone. So here you can see the guys, the phone is completely shattered from the front and the back, but I think still the phone is usable. We have the phone dropped from the 1 km height from the ground, but still the phone is from still intact in one piece. It's a wonderful effort by the Google. Huge thanks to Google for sponsoring this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Comment down below what you like about this video. Also guys, we are doing giveaway of this phone. To enter this giveaway, must follow the rules written in the description. So guys, thanks for watching and peace out.